my cloud storage and sharing, I use Google Drive, which also has Google Docs on it. So to get there, you go to drive.google.com. So when I go first on my drive, this is the page I see. So you can have quick access. Here, you have different folders, you have different files. So you can see I have multiple different folders. And for example, so in fall 2017, those are all my folders from the fall. I can click on it and I have them sorted by classes. So I know where all the information is there if I need it. I can go back to my drive and I also have additional folders and I have an EDCI 270 folder. So when I click on the folder, I have two folders within the folder right now. So I have my cases, which shows all the different cases so I can save my documents for that case in that folder so I can go back to them and I know exactly where they are. I also have my course theme folder, and then I have information in that that goes along with my course theme and what I need for it. Now to create a new document, you go back to your drive and you go New, Document. Now this will be information about theme. Okay. Then to save it to a specific folder, I can go File, Move to. I can click where in my drive I want to save that. So I want it to go in EDCI 270. So then I can either click on EDCI 270 to make it go in the overall folder of it, but I can also click this arrow. I can click what folder within EDCI 270 that I want it to go in. So I want it to go into Course Themes, Feeling, and Emotions. Click that, Move. And now, when I go back to my drive, I click on EDCI 270, Course Theme. I have the exact document right there. Now, if you also wanted to make a folder, you can go to New, Folder, New Folder. I can also import a folder from my computer by going to New, Folder Upload, or I can upload a file, which is File Upload. Now, if I wanted to share a document, I can go back to my information about themes and share a document. So to do this, you click on Share, and you type in an email address. So I can share it with Erin Stevens. Click that, Send, and now she has access to the document. I can also go to Share, and I can get a shareable link. So if whoever I send this link to, they can access the document. I can change so they can view it, change it so they can edit it, they can comment. I can choose what they do if they have the link. I can also share folders. So by doing that, I can click the folder I want to share. So EDCI 270. Now we can go down and you can click Share. So you can pick who you want to share it to, or you can also get a shareable link so whoever has the link can access the folder.